Hi, this is John. Welcome to another video from OutdoorRoomIdeas.com. We're going to look at the instructions for assembly of the Brookbury Patio set. Recently, I had a customer send me some copies, but they were kind of rough looking. On a recent visit to my local Walmart store, a copy of the assembly instructions were on a table. I took some pictures to update the video to make it easier to read and to understand. A lot of people just want to know what the hardware is, and this is very easy to read. Looking at the first page was the smaller parts for the sofa with the tools, the hardware sizes, and it's very easy to read. On the page 2 is the furniture parts, which will be all the big pieces that need to be assembled in this set. The second page of furniture parts and some more hardware and tools, plus fixing clamps that hold the pieces together when you're finished. It does have the bolt size and how long they should be. It doesn't have the size of the lock nuts or the washers, but when you look at all of them, they're all M6 bolts, so the lock washers and lock nuts should be all the same size. This one shows you how to put your assembly of one-arm sofa. If you have a problem with this video, you can always stop it, and it should be still pretty clear for you to blow up these pictures. Okay. The finish of the one-arm sofa, all except for the center supports that will come in the next one, but it tells you exactly which nuts and bolts to put where, and all the pieces, whether they go left or right. And now this is where you put in the lower supports for the middle of the sofas so that you don't sag. Now this is the feet pieces and how to put all that together so that it'll sit up off the floor for you. Gives you all the proper pieces to put on there also. And then this is the ottomans, putting the 4 feet on that, and that's about all you got to do besides throw the cushion on it. If I'm going too fast, let me know. And then the table with its hardware, on the table, all you have to do is put the 2 sets of legs on it, and with 4 bolts for each set of legs. And then when you're totally finished, there's some little clips that hold your furniture together, and then you can adjust your feet for any unlevel surfaces you have to make sure that your furniture doesn't rock while you're sitting on it. Thanks for looking at my information on the Brookbury Patio furniture. If you have any updates for me, send me a note in the comments below. I'll answer you back if you have questions. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive my latest videos, or visit my site at OutdoorRoomIdeas.com for your latest outdoor patio needs. Like this video and leave me a comment if you would. Visit my YouTube channel for more outdoor ideas for your patio furniture and home decor needs. This is John signing off for now until my next video. Hope you like this update of the Brookbury instructions.